In the Lavana ocean, Lord Ram could see the old Lanka existing in the distance. When he went to Ravana Lanka after the war, he was amazed to see new advances. Is an ancient saga from 584,929 years BCE, where Ram, the son of King Dashrath of Ayodhya, was exiled for 14 years. Accompanied by his wife Sita and brother Lakshman, they encountered various mysterious events. Towards the end of their exile, Ram faced a heartbreaking event, the disappearance of Sita. Despite being a deity, he failed to locate her. Upon learning from King Sugriv that Sita was kidnapped by King Ravana, who resided in Lanka, located far beyond Earth in the Lavana ocean, Ram faced challenges in reaching there. It's crucial to understand that the Lanka of Ram's time differs from present-day Sri Lanka. The Lanka of that time was Lanka of Ravana in Lavana ocean, which is at far-off distances from Earth. But our limited perspective confines our search within Earth's boundaries. Our existence is governed by natural laws, emphasizing the importance of understanding these systems rather than being confined to the story. The kidnapping of Sita was carried out by Ravana, the strongest Vidyadhari king of the time who had full hold around. So others like Sugriv, Hanuman, Viradhit, and many others were worried that the war between these two great kings would paradise lakhs of humans with heavy bloodshed. To avoid it, the diplomatic channel would be a better alternative. To follow it, Hanuman, the son-in-law of Ravana, would be the acceptable choice to convince both sides. Ram agreed to the suggestions as he was concerned with the return of Sita in an amicable way. Hanuman agreed with the solution and hoped for an outcome. So he flew by air path to Lanka Dweep, which has a size of 10.8 x 8.44 lakhs kilometer at Lavana Ocean. He found an invisible transparent cover over Lanka. Hanuman gave a heavy punch to the covered shell, but he could not break it. Meanwhile, the security defense person challenged Hanuman, resulting in the fierce fighting, and the security in charge of the system was finally wiped out. However, his daughter, the second command, took charge to prevent Hanuman upon entering Lanka. For several hours the warfare was on without a result. Now Hanuman applied a tactic in alluring her to a relation of marriage if she permitted to enter Lanka. With these dialogues, she allowed him to move inside. Now Hanuman contacted Ravana in his royal court and advised him to let Sita go. Ravana said to him, "Being my relative, you favored Ram. Ridiculous. Your sinning made me quit your side." Although Ravana wanted to hand over her to Ram by heart, but after winning the war, speculating he would win. Hanuman's open disloyalty made Ravana furious and told his sons to hold him up. But he went on around Lanka and got on Sita. He asks her to accompany him, but she refuses until Ram himself comes to stand for her. This way Sita caused the death of Ravana through Lakshman, as spoke out earlier. After the demise of King Ravana, his brother Vibhishan was crowned in Lanka's reign. Looking into the background of Ravana's ancestor, King Meghvahan was the first king of Lanka Dweep who had shifted to this, causing a dispute with another king of his native place, Vizyarth Mount. As a consequence of kingships, Ravana was the strongest king of that time who grabbed all the states of Vidyadhari land. The strongest Vidyadhari king Indra was put in jail by him. It wonders why most people think that the king Indra of heaven was victimized by Ravana, not the spread of an infeasible statement, which is a ridiculous view. All who follow this picture reel are unaware of the natural laws and they want to follow the norms assembled. We should restrict our temptation for such cropped up endeavors. As per natural laws, it would be interesting to readers to know a group of 4 powerful designated humans were born in the subsequent series of 9 groups during the cyclic period. Fierce fighting amongst them had to take place as a system. In this case, in the 8th series, Ram was a Baldev and Lakshman was a Narayan, Vasudev. Whereas Ravana was an anti-Narayan, Prati Vasudev, and Narad as Muni were the main characters in the present cosmic system on our earth. The comparison of these individuals reveals that Baldev possesses greater spiritual power than Narayan, who in turn holds more might over the anti-Narayan. In this case, Ram surpasses Lakshman in prowess, as Lakshman is superior to Ravana. According to the natural order, Narayan always defeats anti-Narayan, thus Lakshman, not Ram, vanquished him. Ram encountered Sita and urged her to accompany him. They were warmly welcomed by the people of Lanka and marveled at the magnificent golden temple in dedication of the 16th Tirthankar, Bhagwan Shantinath. Ravana, a devout follower, had earned the siddhi of multiple heads within that temple. They desired to visit the golden temple of Shantinath Bhagwan and proceeded toward it. The temple, an exceptional architectural marvel, was crafted entirely from pure gold. It boasted thousands of pillars surrounding the central statue, ensuring an unobstructed view of Bhagwan Shantinath from any angle. It's said that the gold used in its construction surpassed the amount found on earth itself. This astonishing structure inspired a Seth to form a similar temple in India, carved from marble at Ranakpur in Sadri town, Rajasthan, during the 15th century. A glimpse of this architectural icon, considered the 7th wonder of the world, can be imagined in the accompanying figure. Perhaps the creator, Seth, drew inspiration from Lanka's golden temple. Ram and his companions were delighted by the beauty and significance of the temple in honor of Shantinath Bhagwan. They also explored its many other wonders before returning to Ayodhya aboard Ravana's novelty airplane. To aid scientists in evaluating the novelty of Lanka's technological advancements for their intended endeavors, consider the following points. 1. The wonder airplane operates without fuel. 2. The architectural temple and its riches. 3. To protect Lanka using an invisible shielded cover.